All right now we're gonna do a super speedy pirate. This is using a red gradient cake, and you just make a few loops over the forehead so it looks like folded bandana. Down here, you make a little loop, and then turn your head this way. You can make 1, 2 for the knot of the bandana, and then a little scratch with that same cake right on the face if you want to. And then we're just gonna give him a little pirate patch around his eye. I'm using a big filbert brush so that I can cover that up, and if you don't want to get too close to the eye, you don't have to. And then tie a string from one side to the other, and give him a little mustache. There we go, a super speedy pirate!
Cheesy.